Create an engaging product banner like this one using Canva. Start by opening Canva and choosing a custom size of 1500 by 1500 pixels. Upload a beautiful lifestyle photo featuring the product and center it on the canvas. Ensure the product is clear and visually appealing. Using the text section, add a bold, friendly heading at the top using a playful yet clean font. Below the heading, include a smaller subheading to highlight the product's key benefits. Now it's time to add bullet points. Use the text section to add the main text and the elements section to find playful yet simple arrows to create a final set of 3 bullet points. Don't forget to adjust the text and arrows so they point to the product. For the final touch, add a catchy shape from the Elements section to create a label on the side of the image with text that builds trust with viewers about the product. Once finished, click Download to save the banner in high resolution, ready for Amazon, social media, or marketing campaigns.